Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, September 15th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos from Friday. And on Friday, the pound US dollar came in number 3, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar from Friday morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we got a little bit of a push down on the pound, no breaker structure yet, so we really can't even say for sure that it really is going down in any significant way until we get that breaker structure. But with this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern we got here, I would think that this first move up is either an A or 1. I would think that it probably would break structure to the downside, but I think it's most likely going to be either a wave B or wave 2, probably going down to one of these lower Fibonacci retracement levels before it pushes up for a wave 3 or a wave C. And just like the euro dollar, I kind of have a feeling this is more likely a wave C, especially with the big news event we got coming this week. But the best thing to do would be try to go long down here, and then we can hopefully learn and earn whether we're looking at a wave 3 or whether we're looking at a wave C. So, in a ways, we have a lot of big news coming out, but tomorrow on Monday, we got this Empire State Manufacturing Index. That is probably not much of a mover for the markets. So, the next thing to really watch out for is probably the Canadian CPI news, the US dollar retail sales. Wednesday, we got federal interest rate news, and Thursday, we got interest rate news for the pound also. So, we got a lot of really good news events this week for sure. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.